Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to buy meme coins on a Trust wallet. The first thing you have to do is to download the Trust wallet. It is available on all iPhones and Android phones, so you will be able to download it with one click of a button. Go to the App Store or Google Play Store and search for Trust Wallet. Once you download it and open the Trust wallet on your mobile phone, it will ask you to create a wallet. When you press create a wallet, it will take you to a screen that will show your wallet recovery phrase. This is extremely important. You have to keep this secret because whoever has your recovery phrase will be able to access your wallet. Write these words down or take a screenshot and keep it hidden. Once you get these words down on paper, you will move on to the next step. In the next step, you will be asked to put the words in order as they were shown in the previous step. Once you do this, you will be able to create your wallet. Once your wallet is created, it will look something like this. Now your next step is to fund it. The majority of meme coins are traded with BNB, so you have to buy some BNB and transfer it into your Trust wallet. You need to purchase some BNB and then transfer it over to your Trust wallet. Once you have funded your wallet with BNB, we can move on to step number 2. In step number 2, open your browser and type in PancakeSwap.finance. Once you are on PancakeSwap in the app or on the browser, it will look the same. The first step is to connect your wallet. Press the connect button and it will look something like this. Here we are going to use Trust Wallet, so select Trust Wallet. Once you press Trust Wallet, it will open your wallet and ask you to confirm the connection. You will also need to select a network. Then on PancakeSwap, your wallet will be connected and it will show you BNB balance. On PancakeSwap, you will have two options. From is the BNB that you will be using to purchase the meme coin, and then on the bottom option, you are going to press Select Currency. Once you press Select Currency, it will give you the option to paste the contract address. Most meme coins will not be listed on PancakeSwap, especially if they are new, so you need to paste the contract address of the meme coin. Paste the contract address and you will be able to import the coin that you are trying to purchase. The next step is entering the amount of BNB you want to use to purchase the meme coin. For example, you can enter 0.1 BNB or however much BNB you want to use. At the bottom, it will show you how many tokens you are going to receive. Next, you need to press this gear icon to adjust the settings. As you can see, they have a default, standard, fast, and instant transactions. Also on the bottom, you can see the slippage. The slippage is very important. Most meme coins require you to send a 10% slippage to purchase. A lot of the 10% get distributed to holders, marketing, the community, and other things. Keep in mind that the faster the transaction, the higher the slippage, and the fewer the meme coins you will receive. If the website or their Telegram group states to set a 10% slippage, start with 10% on the lowest speed. If the transaction does not go through or you get an error, increase the slippage by 1% until your transaction goes through. You can also increase the speed from standard to fast to instant. Once you have deposited BNB into your wallet, paste the contact address, imported the coin, and set the slippage. You are ready to press swap. When you press swap, it will ask you to confirm the transaction, and you will end up purchasing that particular meme coin. Keep in mind that you do need some BNB Smart Chain in your wallet for the transaction fees. These fees are very small, usually under $1. If you need to swap BNB for BNB Smart Chain, click on BNB in your wallet and it will take you to the page. Press swap and then swap to Smart Chain. This is how you can buy meme coins on a Trust wallet. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.